Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cotton candy-like treat using a blender. This unique approach allows you to create a fluffy, airy confection right in your kitchen. We will focus on transforming regular granulated sugar into an incredibly fine powder, mimicking the light texture of traditional cotton candy. You will discover how a powerful blender can be your key tool for this sweet endeavor, requiring just a few simple ingredients to get started. To begin, gather your essential tools and ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of standard granulated sugar. The most critical piece of equipment is a high-speed blender, as its power is necessary to pulverize the sugar into an incredibly fine powder. For a fun twist, you might also want a few drops of your favorite food coloring. Before you start, always ensure your blender container is perfectly dry to prevent the sugar from clumping. Now, let's master the blending technique. Carefully pour your 1 cup of granulated sugar into the completely dry blender container. Secure the lid tightly. Begin blending on the highest possible setting for at least 2 to 3 minutes. It is important to pause every 30 seconds or so to scrape down any sugar clinging to the sides. Continue this process until the sugar transforms into an incredibly fine, almost cloud-like powder, indicating it is ready. Once your sugar is perfectly powdered, it is time to serve and enjoy your unique treat. Carefully transfer the fluffy sugar from the blender into a serving bowl. You can use a fork or a small whisk to gently fluff it up even more, enhancing its airy quality. For the best experience, serve this delightful confection immediately, as its light texture is most enjoyable fresh. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container to maintain their softness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.